So we want to talk about past participle tense. It's like in English you'd say I've gone, right? I've gone, they have come, finished. So in Dholuo, if you want to speak in that tense of something that you have done, you use these two letters with the verb. Say, and then the verb comes here. Now, this is going to be conjugated as well the way we have been conjugating the verbs. The a, I, o, wa, u, gi. So all you add here is se. Se, 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 se. This is what is going to give the next verb that we'll put. It's going to make the next verb or transform it to past participle. So now, this is ase, ise, ose, wase, use, gise. Let's use a verb. Which verb can we use? Something so that we say something you have done. Even the words we have used just a moment ago. Nindo. So the thing here is, once you have this, the next thing that comes here is the verb. Nindo. So you say what? I said?
Nindo.
I say nindo. That means I have slept. But this is normally funny because a sleeping person cannot talk. But it could also be used to mean that you're already in bed. So not necessarily that you are asleep, because if you are asleep you can't say this sentence. But it can be used to mean that you are already in bed. Maybe somebody is calling you to go somewhere and you say, no, I'm already in bed. So you can say ase nindo. Okay? Or if they have slept, what do we say? They have slept? Usenindo. So you see, all you need is just to add nindo here. Everywhere, okay? Usenindo. 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 Are you already in bed? Yes, we are. Okay? So you can use other verbs. Which other verb do you remember?
Chiemo.
Chiemo. Chiemo. Which means to eat. To eat. So ask the question, have you eaten?
I think Usenindo.
Eating, not nindo. Nindo we finished. Nindo is to sleep.
Chiemo.
Very good. Ise chiemo. That's a question. How would you respond?
I
say chiemo. Very good. I say chiemo. Which other verb? So you say chiemo means have you eaten? Yeah, I say chiemo. Yes, I've eaten. Which other verb do you remember? Ringo. But this will sound funny. So you can ask, have they run? Have they run? Ask that.
Giseringo.
It's a question. So you must raise your voice, Giseringo. Hey. So the answer would be, yeah, this answer would just be the same, right? Like you'd also just report they have run. Have they run? Yes, they have run. Hey, Giseringo. Okay? Another verb? Which verb do you remember?
Water.
Water. Now ask water means walk to walk, huh?
Yeah.
So what would be the question? What would you ask somebody? Have you walked? Have you walked? So ask the question.
He said water.
He said water. He said water. And the answer would be?
I said water.
I say water. I say water. And actually, you are wondering here, before saying respond, you can also just say I say water. I say water. But there's another commonly used word which also shows respect. You can say kamano. Like to say yes in a respectful manner or a formal manner, you simply say kamano. Not erokamano. Those are two different things. Erokamano is thank you, but kamano is like yes, you are in agreement, huh? Kamano, I say what? I say what? But you can also just say I say what? I say what? Now, so that is how we form verbs in the past participle tense in Dholuo. So the trick, the main thing here to remember is this se, which you conjugate according to the person you are talking about. You add a for an, I, e for you, o for he or she, wa for we, u for you plural, and they, gi. And then after I put the ase, ise, ose, you put the verb itself, lindo. Question? Very good.